All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your weekly preview for the week of March 27th, 2023 to March 31st, 2023. So, some important announcements here. Monday, my office hours are 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Friday, my office hours are 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. And then quarter three, just a reminder, closes this Sunday, April 2nd at 11:59 p.m. So please make sure you're getting all your work in to be graded. So it's quarter three, week 10. Crazy to think about. We're coming up on the end of the school year here pretty soon. So Monday in live class, we will understand the processes of foster care and adoption with the CYU foster care and adoption. Tuesday, we will analyze the legal methods of divorce and separation with the key terms divorce, separation, partial custody, and joint custody with the lesson separation and divorce. Sorry, I'll delete these class times up here. That should say no live class. You can ignore that. I forgot to change that from my other class, so I'll change that real quickly there. Beg your pardon on that. On Wednesday, you will have the assignment CYU Children and Family Law. And then Thursday, you'll have the test on family law, which will close out that unit. And then Friday, you have the Achieve 3000 article, Creating the Constitution, which that will take us into our next and our final unit of Law and Justice, which is constitutional law. All right, so I hope you have a great week. Please reach out with any questions or concerns.